Hey, Mom.
Hey, what's up?
Hey. I'm calling with some pretty exciting news.
What?
So I'm surrounded by a lot of people, but
Okay.
I have just won a pretty big award. It's called a Milken Foundation Award for being a top educator.
Oh, well, awesome. You deserve that, little girl.
Oh, thank you, Mom. So as part of it, there's lots of different things, but I get to be part of a team. I get to go out to California, okay, to be part of a team in April. And then also it comes with $25,000.
Whoa! Wow!
Yep, so it's pretty exciting. Obviously,
Yes!
it was very unexpected. They had a big convocation and all the students came and lots of important people are here. I had no idea, so they called my name.
Wow! Well, you know what? You're an excellent educator. Don't make me cry. Are you still there?
Yes, I'm still there.
Well, that's awesome.
It is. It's really
I'm
awesome.
so proud of you. I'm so proud of you.
Awesome. Thank you, Mom.
Yes. Man, I wish I would have known that. Me and Dad would have come down.
And nobody knew. Nobody knew.
Oh, I was gonna say, man. Yes, that would have been really nice to see. So,
Yeah.
I bet I'm sure you probably are at school right now, right?
I am. Yes, I am.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, man, do you want us to come down?
That's okay. Thanks, Mom.
Oh.
Okay. Well, I love you. Thank you so much.
Okay. Congratulations.
Thanks, Mom. I'll talk to you soon.
Yeah, I'll tell Dad.
Thank you. Love you.
Okay. Love you. Bye.
Bye.